video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pilumi of Sophia Studios, and with this channel, what do? Sewing. Pretty much sewing, DIY craft and all that. So today I want to get started on a dress. So I picked up this pattern that I got on sale. I love the top part of it. It's the McCall's M8253 pattern. I love the like garters and this top. I'm not sure I like this big opening. I like this ruching part as well, but I want to use this as an inspiration for a dress that I want to make, which I have sketched here. So I'm gonna sew view C without the skirt ruching part, but I want to make it a long sleeve, make the skirt longer, and then I'm hoping to have enough fabric because I only have 4 meters of fabric, which I'll show you just now. I want to add like some sort of like draping across and down to the side. So this is my pattern, and I asked Gemini to visualize me in the dress, and this is what it showed me. So I'm hoping that this is how what I will sew look like, because it looks pretty cute. So let's get started. So hi guys, so it's the second day and I cut the fabric yesterday, and today I'm about to start sewing. There isn't much of a tutorial here. It's just like a sewing vlog, so I'm not going to go through step by step of what I'm going to be doing. I've already pinned like the center front bodies. I've pinned the center back bodies. I'm going to sew that up, and then I need to figure out what I want to do with the ruffle situation or the ruching situation in front, because I don't have a lot of fabric left, so we can figure that out together. Okay, so I think I'm halfway done with the dress. I haven't sewn the side seams yet. What did I just do? Okay, this is the front. This is the back. Forward. Okay, I think I might have to put like elastic on the waist, or maybe not. Okay, I have to figure out the ruffle part now. Okay, we're getting somewhere. This is how it's looking right now. I have pinned the loose, what I call is tie to the side. So I'm gonna sew this down in front, and that's how it looks. Love it. Okay, the dress is done, guys. I hope the light is good from this angle. Oh my god, oh my god. I love it. Like, it is such a pretty like holiday dress. This is like the garter situation. Let me tuck this drawstring in. Ah, I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. What would you like change about the dress? I cut it a bit shorter and I straightened it out. The original pattern was a bit like flared, but I think I loved it straighter, so I made it straighter. And yeah, let me know if you like the dress in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. I'm ready. Invite me out, guys. Invite me for a Christmas party, New Year's party. I'm ready. I got the dress. It's making me so happy, guys. You don't understand. Like, to see it come from the paper to the pattern and the final result, it's amazing. Can't get enough. Alright, that's the end of the video. Leave a comment, share this video, subscribe to my channel. There'll be more videos coming, mostly tutorials, and I'm trying to dabble into other things. But you see once you subscribe. See you next time.